Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we are going to discuss tangent normals, very important models in boards in CBSE 12th class and 11th class. 12th class it is, and in intermediate first year, that means in mathematics 1B paper, we have the syllabus. Well, let us have a discussion. The first question here. Show that the tangent at P of x1, y1 on the curve root x plus root y equal to root a is y into y1 power minus 1 by 2 plus x into x1 power minus 1 by 2 equal to a power 1 by 2. So here curve is given and one point is also given. So here first step is given curve. Given curve. Root x plus root y is equal to root a, and one more point is given. Point is lies on the curve. Given that P of x1 y1 lies on root x plus root y equal to root a. Whenever the point lies on the curve, then root x1 plus root y1 is equal to root a. You put it in box. This result we will use in the coming steps. The point lies on the curve. That means x1, y1, wherever x, y is there, you have to replace with x1, y1. Now consider the curve and get the slope. Consider root x plus root y equal to root a. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x plus d by dx of root y 1 by 2 root y. Again y also differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, which is equal to root a is constant whose derivative goes to be 0. So that implies that 1 by 2 root x equal to minus 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx. Both sides 2 get cancelled and root y we are taking into this side. So it will becomes root y divided by root x is equal to minus dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx equal to minus root y divided by root x. Dy by dx means what? Slope of the curve. Slope of the curve means slope of the tangent. Slope of the curve at what point we can calculate? At x1, y1. After this, the slope of the curve that is equal to the slope of the tangent at P of x1, y1 to given curve. Simply we write at P of x1, y1 is m equal to dy by dx at P. At P suffix means in place of slope, in place of x, y, you have write x1, y1. So which is equal to in place of y and x, root y1 by root x1. Minus is also there. Here before minus is there. So slope we got it and point is also there, x1, y1. They are asking to calculate tangent equation. In the next step, the equation of tangent. The equation of tangent at P of x1, y1 with slope P, with slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Point is x1 y1 only anyway. In place of m, you have to replace this value. So y minus y1 is equal to minus root y1 divided by root x1 into x minus x1. After reaching of this step, see here from this turning step, root y1 we are taking into denominator of LHS and root x1 denominator is there, no, multiplying with this RHS in the denominator. So y divided by root y1 minus y1 divided by root y1, I am taking only root y1, minus x divided by root x1, minus into minus is plus x1 divided by root x1. Here minus value I am taking this side, LHS side. In LHS minus value I am taking into the RHS. So minus x by root x1 we can take into the LHS plus x by root x1. Plus here already y by root y1 is there, which is equal to plus x1 by root x1 minus y1 by root y1 we are taking into the RHS, y1 by root y1. We learned in earlier classes x by root x is equal to root x. We have the formula. In algebra, x can be written as root x into root x. So x by root x can be written as root x. Similarly, x1 by root x1 is root x1 plus y1 by root y1 is root y1 by using this formula. X divided by root x1 means x1 power 1 by 2 only, no? Plus y divided by y1 power 1 by 2. From this box value, root x1 plus root y1 equal to root a. So from that box, otherwise you can keep that equation 1. Since from equation 1, in place of root x1 plus root y1, we have to write as root a by using equation 1. So x, denominator x1 power 1 by 2 can take into the numerator, the power will change now, x1 power minus 1 by 2, indices will change, plus y into 1 by y1 power 1 by 2 is y1 power minus 1 by 2. So therefore, x into x1 power minus 1 by 2 plus y into y1 power minus 1 by 2 is equal to a power 1 by 2. A power 1 by 2, which is they are asking to show y into y power y1 power minus 1 by 2 plus x into x1 power minus 1 by 2 equal to a power 1 by 2. Therefore, this is the required tangent at x1 comma y1 to the given curve. Hence proved. We'll move to the next question. Thank you. The next question. At what points on the curve x square minus y square equal to 2, the slopes of tangents are equal to 2? They are asking to calculate at what points the curve slope is equal to 2. So first, curve slope means what? Slope you can calculate by differentiating the given curve. So first, given curve, x square minus y square equal to 2. Differentiate with respect to x. X square derivative is 2x minus y square derivative is 2y. Again y derivative is dy by dx is equal to constant 2 derivative is 0. So 2 take common and we can take RHS sign. So 0 by 2 is 0. Therefore x minus y dy by dx is equal to 0. So from that, y dy by dx equal to x So y we are taking here dy by dx is equal to x by y. Dy by dx means what? Slope of the curve or slope of the tangent. The slope of the curve or tangent. Given that slope of tangents equal to 2, that is dy by dx is equal to 2, which is equal to x by y. So from this relation, which implies that 2y equal to x is equal to 2y, substitute in the curve, x is equal to 2y, substitute in equation 1, we get 2y whole square minus y square is equal to 2. That implies that 4y square minus y square equal to 2. 3y square equal to 2. Y square equal to 2 by 3. That implies that y is equal to plus or minus root 2 by 3. So after getting the value of y value substitute in x is equal to 2y. So y is equal to plus or minus root 2 by 3. Substitute in x is equal to 2y. Therefore, x is equal to 2 into plus or minus root 2 by 3, which is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2 by 3. So here two values of x, two values of y. Therefore, the points which are lying on lies on the curve, or first you have to consider among these two plus, next minus. 2 root 2 by 3 comma root 2 by 3, and if you consider minus 2 root 2 by 3 and minus root 2 by 3. These are the 2 points which are lying on the given curve. We will move to the next question. The next question. Show that the curves x square plus y square equal to 2 and 3x square plus y square equal to 4x have a common tangent at the point 1, 1. See, two curves are given and one point is also there. They are asking to show that a common tangent for both the curves at a point 1, 1. See, first what we have to do, consider both the curves, find out their derivatives, that means slope of the curves. After getting the slope of the curves at 1, 1, you can calculate the slope of the curves. Slope and point is there, you can find out the tangent equations. Both the tangents are equal, then the two curves have a common tangent at the point 1, 1. This is the procedure. We will do that. So given curves, x square plus y square equal to 2 and 3x square plus y square equal to 4x. So first you have to differentiate with respect to x to the given curve as well as second curve. So x square plus y square equal to 2. Differentiate with respect to x. So x square derivative is 2x plus y square derivative is 2y. Again y derivative is dy by dx, which is equal to constant derivative is 0. So now x plus y into dy by dx equal to 0. Why? Because From these two terms, 2 I am taking common and we can take this side. So now 0 by anything is 0. So that implies that y dy by dx is equal to minus x. Y we can take into the RHS. dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. Slope of the curve we got it. Slope at what point we can calculate? 1 comma 1. Slope of the first curve. Slope of the curve at 1 comma 1 is, so m equal to dy by dx at 1 comma 1. In place of x and y, substitute 1 comma 1. So minus 1 by 1, which is equal to minus 1. So this is about the first curve. So first curve slope means you can take as m1, that is better. Come to the second curve. 3x square plus y square equal to 4x. Differentiate with respect to x. 3 into x square derivative is 2x plus y square derivative is 2y into dy by dx, which is equal to 4x derivative is 4. So both sides 2 take common and cancel. So we will get it as 3x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 2. Both sides dividing by 2. So now I want only dy by dx. Y dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 3x. So dy by dx equal to 2 minus 3x divided by y. This is the second curve slope. So I am assuming that slope of the curve at p of 1 comma 1 point is, this is second curve means I am assuming that m2 dy by dx at 1 comma 1 is, wherever x and y is there replacing with 1 comma 1, you get 2 minus 3 into 1 divided by 1. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So therefore m2 equal to minus 1. m1 equal to minus 1. Actually here only we can conclude that whenever slopes are equal, they are having common tangent. But they are asking to prove, no? So we will prove that. Case 1. In case 1, slope is m1 is equal to minus 1, point is 1 comma 1. The equation of tangent at p of x1 comma y1, that means 1 comma 1. This is x1 y1, no? To the curve, to the first curve with slope m1 equal to minus 1 is y minus y1 equal to m1 into x minus x1. So y minus 1 equal to minus 1 into x minus 1. So y minus 1 equal to minus x plus 1. These values we can take this side. X plus y minus 1 equal to 0. X plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Come to the second case. In case 2, the equation of tangent at p of 1 comma 1 to the second curve with slope m2 equal to minus 1 is, same formula, y minus y1 equal to m2 into x minus x1. Second curve slope we have taken as m2. So y minus 1 equal to minus 1 into x minus 1. So y minus 1 equal to minus x plus 1. These values we can take this side, x plus y minus 1 minus 1. So x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. By observing both the tangents equations are same, therefore we conclude that both the curves have same common tangent at p of x, p of 1 comma 1, hence proved. They are asking to prove that no, both the curves by observing this result as well as this result. Both the curves have same common tangent at 1 comma 1. You have to write, mention that equation. Tangent x plus y, better to write x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 at 1 comma 1. Hence proved. We will move to the next question. Dear students and parents, this is my YouTube channel Maths with Panindra. In this channel, in intermediate Telangana and Andhra related mathematics intermediate 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B and MSET and JA mains related topics are there in my channel. You can do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all. పేరెంట్స్కి స్టూడెంట్స్కి నేను చేసే విన్నపం ఏమిటంటే నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ పేరు మ్యాథ్స్ విత్ పనీంద్ర. ఇందులో ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సంబంధించి మ్యాథ్స్ ఏ, మ్యాథ్స్ బి, మ్యాథ్స్ 2A, మ్యాథ్స్ 2B, ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ సంబంధించి ఎంసెట్ జేఈ మెయిన్ సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోలు ఉన్నాయి. వీక్షించి మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్.